Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bio Universe. I am Suyanka and today we will discuss vacuoles. What is vacuoles? Vacuoles are membrane-bound cell organelles present in the cytoplasm and filled with a watery fluid containing various substances. The term vacuole is derived from Latin word vacuous meaning empty space. Vacuoles help in the storage and disposal of various substances. They can store food or other nutrients required by a cell to survive. They also store waste products and prevent the entire cell from contamination. The vacuoles in plant cells are larger than those in the animal cells. The plant vacuoles occupies more than 80% of the volume of the cell. The vacuoles may be one or more in number. Discovery of vacuoles. The plant vacuole was first discovered in 1676 by a Dutch scientist A.V. Leeuwenhoek. In 1776, Splange was first to see star-shaped contractile vacuole in Protozoa. In 1841, Dujardin gave them the name vacuole. In 1885, the scientist de Vries named the vacuole membrane as tonoplast. Structure of vacuole. A vacuole is a membrane-bound structure found in the cytoplasmic matrix of a cell. The components of the vacuole, known as the cell sap, differ from that of the surrounding cytoplasm. The membrane surrounding the vacuole is known as tonoplast. The membranes are composed of phospholipids. The membranes are embedded with proteins that help in transporting molecules across the membrane. Different combinations of these proteins help the vacuoles to hold different materials. Type of the vacuoles. On the basis of contents and functions, vacuoles are of four types: sap vacuoles, contractile vacuoles, food vacuoles, and air vacuoles. Sap vacuoles. Sap vacuoles has a number of transport systems for the passage of different substances. A number of small sap vacuoles occur in animal cells and young plant cells. In mature plant cells, the small vacuoles fuse to form a single large central vacuole which occupies up to 90% of the volume of the cell. The large central vacuole spreads the cytoplasm in the form of a thin peripheral layer. This is a device to facilitate rapid exchange between the cytoplasm and the surrounding environment. The fluid present in the sap vacuoles is often called a sap or a vacuolar sap. Contractile vacuoles. They occur in some protista and algal cells found mostly in fresh water. A contractile vacuole has a highly extensible and collapsible membrane. It is also connected to a few feeding canals, example paramecium. The feeding canals obtain water with or without waste products from the surrounding cytoplasm. They pour the same into the contractile vacuole. The vacuole swells up. The process is called diastole. The swollen contractile vacuole comes in the contact with the plasma membrane and collapses. Collapsing is called systole. This throws the vacuolar contents to the outside. Contractile vacuoles take part in osmoregulation and expiration. Food vacuoles. They occur in the cells of protozoa, protistas, several lower animals, and phagocytes of higher animals. A food vacuole is formed by the fusion of phagosome and a lysosome. The food vacuole contains digestive enzymes with the help of which nutrients are digested. The digested materials pass out into the surrounding cytoplasm. Air vacuoles. It is also known as pseudovacuoles or gas vacuoles. Air vacuoles have been reported only in prokaryotes. An air vacuole is not a single entity, neither it is surrounded by a common membrane. It consists of a number of smaller submicroscopic vesicles. Each vesicle is surrounded by a protein membrane and encloses metabolic Gases. Air vacuoles not only store gases but provide buoyancy, mechanical strength, and protection from harmful radiations. Functions of vacuoles: 1. Sap vacuoles store and concentrate mineral salts. 2. Sap vacuoles may store organic nutrients like sugars, insulin, amino acids, esters, etc. 3. Sap causes osmotic uptake of water. It is important for water relation of the plant and maintenance of cell turbidity. 4. Vacuoles have a role in enlargement of cells during their growth by their own enlargement, endosmosis, and providing stored materials. 5. There are two types of water-soluble pigments, anthocyanins and beta-cyanins, which are present in sap vacuoles. They provide coloration to a number of flowers and fruits. 6. Sap vacuoles segregate and store waste products from the cytoplasm. 7. Plant vacuoles may have hydrolytic enzymes and functions as lysosomes. 8. Latex and tannins are stored in vacuoles. 9. The vacuoles are completely filled with water and exert force on the cell wall. This is known as turgor pressure. 10. The substances are taken in by a vacuole through endocytosis and exerted through the exocytosis.